guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two little things that I want to unbox with you guys. The first one is e.l.f bag, and the second one is boxycharm. It came out super, like, well, it came back, well, not came out, but it got here and it's all like crusty and shit. I hope it doesn't, you know, it's not broken or anything, or nothing is bad inside, but yeah. Y para las personas que hablan español, si hablas español y todavía sigues viendo este video, muchas gracias. Bienvenido otra vez a mi espacio. El día de hoy les voy a estar abriendo la bolsa de e.l.f y la caja de boxycharm. A ver si les gusta. Si les gusta, por favor no se olviden de compartir, darle like y suscribirse, por favor. No cuesta nada, son gratis, como dicen. But yeah, we're gonna start with the e.l.f one. See how it goes. Just this bag, and it's empty from the inside. It just comes like this. And then another one for the collection. You can see up there, let me show you. See, I'm trying to build. I have like a few over there that I wanna pull. I already have like 4 or 5 that I haven't put in the back one. The first thing that you get obviously is the little car, July 2019, and this theme is the dive in. It looks the little card that they send you, and the information comes like that, and it's the, like I said, roller lash. Oh, mascara, like that. Oh, I don't know how it's pronounced, but it comes like that, and it's a brow fix tint in shape. This beautiful blue. It says Iced Tea Eyeshadow Mini Cool Shade. I don't have that one. I have this one. I bought this one myself, and it's all broken and shit. I put some tape over here, but it's good. This one is good. I haven't tried this one. Fine. I haven't, you know, letting my hair be curly lately, since it's super short, and if I let it be curled, it's gonna be like super short. First that I got the lash one, the brow one, just the blue shadow, and this, and the curl one. When I take a shower, I might use that one and see, let my curls leave for a little bit. I don't like this kind of box. I like the one that opens like from the side, but so broken and shit. I hope I'm with the little note of the teen of the man, and it's natural, I think all natural or something like that. And it comes, it comes with few. Normally only comes with one, but it comes with this one, Luxy got, I can pronounce that, can you please? So, and this one is, I'm gonna tell you the prices of this, because e.l.f is just $10 and they don't send you like what is the price of everything they send you. But boxycharm is different. Boxycharm is $21 a month for this little box, and it comes with, I think, 5 full size products, and they tell you like the prices and everything. Luxy 510 foundation one, and Luxy 246 precision crease. I did need one of these ones. And the last one is Luxy 250 large eye blending. This one, the Elements, $9. This is $35, and the box is $21. So you already get your money back already. Okay. Sorry there. It looks like this. Big. This one is $20. This one is $17. So I got this one, these 3 is only one, and this one, in this one. Oh shit. So that's all. And in total, everything from the from the boxycharm is $134 worth of products. Gonna be using these ones. Let's start from here. Oh, it feels good. It feels like, well, it has avocado, but it says that you might feel like a tingling while it's working, so don't worry. I mean the, oh shit, that's super pigmented. Oh my god, like, I didn't set the concealer, so the powder can look a little bit more pigmented. If you want your shadow to look super pigmented, do that. Don't set your concealer. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm sweating. Gonna use a little bit of concealer to clean up over here again, so I can use, I'm not gonna do a cut crease or anything, just to, you know, help with the other color. And obviously I'm gonna be using the one that came with the boxycharm, the Luxie 246 one. Whoa, this is so pigmented, dude. Blending. Using the no pore blend primer essences. I like this one a lot. And it doesn't matter that I put the concealer on the bottom, it's not gonna do anything. Normally I use the beauty blender, but so I'm gonna start with the blue one, right? I'm gonna do it both sides. This one is dry, and I'm gonna put the lip one. I know it's not gonna match, but we're trying a new product, okay? I'm gonna use this one. We'll see. It's more like a natural one. How good this is. Okay, like I said, I'm gonna, in this eye, I'm gonna do it without curling my lashes. And I'm gonna curl this one, so let's do it without curling. Ooh, look at that one. Let's curve it. See that?
I don't have much lashes back. We'll see.
Hey, remember this one? It's the one that I didn't curl. Using Enchantress from the Butter London palette. Ooh, a little bit. Good, put a little bit over here. I'm done with the makeup look. Now I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about the products. I like everything, but there were like some products that I don't know. Like the lipstick, I didn't like the lipstick. It says that it's supposed to be long lasting. The Ofra, that one, it says long lasting liquid lipstick, and it feels like a tint moisturized. That's how it felt. What else? That one is from the boxycharm. I like the palette. I like the colors. They're super pigmented. I use the brown one right here. I use this one in the inner kind of, you know, there you can see it, and I use this one in here, and I use the other blue one from the balm. So I like the shadows. I didn't like this one much. I didn't like this one at all. I did love the lash one, and I did love the brown one. The brushes, I did love the brushes. I didn't like this one that much. It's like a little bit hard. I might try this one when I take a shower and let my curls. I will let you guys know how it works. And what else did I got? I did love this one. I might take the makeup off after I finish this and see how they work with makeup, because before I used them just, you know, to clean my face, but I didn't have anything. What else did I got? And then I love the Element one. I like this one. I might use it a few more times to let you guys know. I'll just use it once. It might not be enough. So yeah, I did like it. I like both of them, the e.l.f. and the boxycharm. Today they were like a bomb.com, so try e.l.f. or boxycharm. I'm gonna leave the link below so you guys go check it out. Like I said, boxycharm is $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. With e.l.f. is $10 a month, and you get 5, I think, too. But there are samples. They're not full-size products. So 21, and you saw the prices. This was worth $134. So guys, yeah, if you guys like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so YouTube let you know every time I upload a new video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video.